Hi guys, I'm here today with a vlog. I wouldn't necessarily call it a studio vlog, I'd call it more of a day at home vlog. I have a little bit of Etsy work to do today, but it's nothing worth noting. But I wanted to get into the routine of filming and to do the routine of vlogging again, so I'm going to do it anyway. So, yes. This weekend is Memorial Day, so I want to set up a sale for my shop. I haven't done a sale in my shop since, I don't know, possibly Black Friday. I think it's been since Black Friday. That's how long it's been since I've done a sale. So I'm going to set one of those up, and hopefully it'll go over well. And yeah, we'll see. I also have a lot of stuff to do around the house today. I have to do laundry. I have some computer work to do, which I've already done a lot of it. I need to stretch. As some of you guys know, I used to be a competitive dancer, and I used to be super flexible. I'm just not as flexible as I used to be naturally because I'm not dancing 20 plus hours a week. So I've been doing yoga, yin yoga in specific, like 3 or 4 times a week, and it is so relaxing. I used to do it every day when I did CrossFit because it would really help with mobility with my lips. But now I'm just doing it just to keep my joints flexible because I've been having a lot of joint pain recently. So I'm thinking if I stretch more, maybe my joints won't be so sore. So yeah, other than that, it's just going to be a pretty chill day at home, and yeah, we'll see. This might turn into a weekend vlog. Today is Friday, so this might be a whole weekend deal, or it might just be for today. I don't know yet. My parents are out of town for the next 10 days, which is great, because my husband and I have the house to ourselves, and when he's at work, I can be as loud as I want to be when I film. Which my videos always turn out better when I'm home alone because I'm much more comfortable in front of the camera because I don't have to worry about people like overhearing what I'm doing. And yeah, I mean, they know I make videos. I just don't like it when they overshadow what I'm doing because it's really annoying and it makes me uncomfortable. So yeah. The first thing I need to get to is this pile of laundry. You guys know how much I hate doing laundry, so I'm just gonna get it out of the way. I thought I would show you guys real quick how I planned this week, because I didn't use my normal TN. I used this empty journal that I had laying around. That's really pretty. I got it from Marshall's, I believe. Yes, Marshall's. It was super cheap. And it's just like plain lined paper. And I thought I would start trying like a bullet journal type of style. I don't know if I'm in love with it yet, but I definitely prefer it to my TN as of right now. I just kind of like got boxed in with my TN, and I like the freedom that this supplies. So yeah, this is my week so far. Just kind of been using some stickers for decoration, not really for function, and I kind of like it. These stickers are from, what's the name of that shop? 15 Prill. So she sent me a bunch of samplers to put in my orders. And so these are from that. She sent me those a while ago. And then this is from a principal from Jordan Clark's Patreon. If you're not a part of her Patreon, you should be, because she includes the cutest printables. And then yeah, all the rest of the stickers, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one are by me. And yeah, I've just been using little strips of washi tape, not too overboard, and the pen that I've been using is the trusty Sharpie pen, best pen on the planet. Fight me if you disagree. So yeah, it's not really I've been planning as I go as well. Like, usually I'll like sit down and plan my whole week, but I've just kind of been writing in things as the days come, and it's worked better. It's how I used to plan when I first started planning. It's kind of like a memory keeper as well, and so I much prefer it. Like, I don't know what my husband and I are doing on Sunday yet, so why would I write anything in? I have a general idea of what I'm doing tomorrow, so that's why that's there, and these are the things that I need to do today. But yeah, I like it so far. It's fun. It's giving me much more freedom. So yeah, thought I'd just share that update real fast. Hi guys, it is now Saturday. I totally stopped vlogging yesterday. To be honest, I got my to-do list done really fast, and so the rest of the day was just me chilling and watching movies. My husband got home at 4 and we just spent the night relaxing together. So yeah, today is Saturday now. Again, similar to yesterday, I don't have a lot of things that I need to get done. I just folded laundry, and I really don't have a lot to do today, but I wanted to keep this vlog going just so it's not a 3-minute vlog. So yeah. Also, if you're confused about this room, this is the room where my husband and I sleep. And this is Bailey. I'm taking care of her for the next 11 days. And she's my favorite dog in the whole world. She's my best friend. She's pretty much my best friend right now. Besides my husband. She's the only friend I have. And she's my buddy. She's kind of my shadow. We hang out a lot. Alright, so I just got done with my stretching routine. And like, it was really, really hard for me today. I think because I've been stretching so much that it's finally catching up with me. I'm finally getting sore. And so like my muscles are like shaky, and it's like hard for me to hold the poses. But that's a good thing. That means I'm progressing. And I thought it would be a good thing to like not stretch my body as hard as I used to. But in doing so, my body's become stiff. My hamstrings have become so tight. My back always hurts. My lower back always hurts. And just like day-to-day life, I feel crippled. And that might be because I was so flexible and then went to being not so flexible. I'm still flexible. I'm probably more flexible than your average person, but just not flexible in the dance world anymore, if that makes sense. And so I don't want to be that flexible ever again, but I do want to be mobile. Anyway, I'm going to stop rambling because my camera keeps shutting off, and it keeps like shutting off randomly, and it's really annoying. I don't know how to fix that. Does anybody know how to stop the EOS Rebel T6 to stop from just randomly shutting off? Because it's really annoying. The battery is fully charged, yet it keeps just shutting off whenever it wants to, and it's really annoying, especially when I do sit down videos. So yeah, if you know the trick, let me know.